Oh, I don't like this at all. Oh, I do not like this at all. This is goofy. Alright. I can't see anything except the smoke and the fog. Oh my god. Oh, no. Don't come out of there, please. Oh, holy shit. Okay. Let's go inside this train. I think it's in the train. Whoa! Holy crap, bro. I'm scared. Oh my god. Get in there, just get in. It's locked. What do you mean it's locked? Bro, do you hear this? Oh my god. Yo! Okay guys, I just realized something. I'm at the start of the game, I had to restart. You had to pick up this lantern, and now you can freaking... Where's my lantern, bro? There. And now, I can actually see, bro. I actually know what I'm doing. Alright! Okay, it is actually locked, okay. Every time I'm passing this trash can, I think it's a person. Oh, that scared the shit out of me. Phone shouldn't work in an abandoned train station over 20 years. That scared the shit out of me. God! What's going on? I hate this game. I don't like this game. Oh my god, bro. Oh, we're selling right in this corner. Why did we come in here? And why did I play this game? This is just yap. Put it away. Yo. They generally have sound effects for everything. Just get me in. Shut that door, please. Nice. Is this live? Is there actually someone standing there? What is that? Change the channel. Just these two? It's just like someone standing here and then you got that. That's better to look at. Way out. Okay. That's not very friendly. Oh, they're like sightings. Oh! It says it there. Whoa! God. I know, I don't. I know. I gotta get out. I want to get out. Yeah, let's leave. That's the key, right? Let's get out. Let's just leave, please. I'm running out. I'm running out. I'm running out. Oh, I'm getting goosebumps. I don't care. I'm running out. I'm running the wrong way. Just run. sounds are... Oh, I see something walk down the stairs. I don't care. That has nothing to do with me. Just run. That goes. Woo! Get back, get back. Ooh, don't stop running. Just don't stop running. Run. 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 No! Did we just die? Bro, I'm leaving. Oh, music stopped. Jump scare. Oh, they're coming out. Oh! Oh my god. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Don't listen to them. Come find us. We're waiting. I'm not waiting. Oh my god, bro. Let me leave. There's a jump scare. Radio?
Please. Don't go down there. You'll die.
You'll die? Where else am I gonna go? This goes down? Just run. I don't have time for this. Oh, it does go down. Oh, no. Oh, this is stupid. We are dying down here. Music stopped. Why did the music stop? Alright, I can tell. People died in it. Shut up. We are so dead. This is a terrible idea. They were living in the sewers, bro. God. Oh, hell no. I'm chilling. Whoa! Alright, that's cool. Alright, we gotta get out. Come on. Come on, bro. Oh, we are not making it that ladder. Run, dude! Go, go. Oh, you are slow. Oh, they dragged you. Wait, what? Just climb, bro. Get out of there. We are out. Wow. Damn. I like games that, like, it's an experience. Like, you're not getting jump scared, really. It's just an experience. They play loud sounds. They make the atmosphere very scary, but there's really just, like, you don't die. You just like experience it. I like games like that. That one was really good. That was actually pretty good. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one.